If you buy two jerseys of the same size and shape, they match perfectly. In maths, shapes that match perfectly are called congruent figures. Congruent means same shape and same size. If you can place one figure exactly on top of another with no gaps, they are congruent. You don't need to check everything. 4 shortcut conditions prove triangles are congruent. SSS, SAS, A and RHS. SSS means all 3 sides are equal. SAS means 2 sides and the angle between them are equal. The angle must be between the 2 sides. Example 1. Triangle ABC has sides 5, 7 and 8 centimeters. Triangle DEF also has sides 5, 7 and 8 centimeters. All 3 pairs of sides are equal. So by the SSS condition, triangle ABC is congruent to triangle DEF. We write it with this symbol. Example 2. Triangle PQR has PQ equals 6. Angle Q equals 50 degrees, and QR equals 9. Triangle XYZ has the same measurements. Two sides and the included angle are equal. The angle is between the 2 sides, so by SAS, the triangles are congruent. Common mistake. For SAS, the angle must be between the 2 sides. If the angle is not between them, you cannot use SAS. Many students lose marks here. Remember this phrase: super students are ready. SSS, SAS, ASA, RHS. These 4 conditions are your tools for proving congruency in exams. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons like this. Visit ovasaabi.com for notes and practice questions. See you next time.